Hi guys, it's Surulere's 10th week vaccination. If you are wondering who Surulere is my baby boy. He is currently 10 weeks and we are heading to the hospital for his 10 weeks vaccination. So it's raining right now, but we are all set. My husband will be going with us. He's currently at the living room trying to order a ride. But let me introduce you. Let me turn the camera to show you all my baby is looking like. So my baby is all set for the immunization. Dear father, look at my baby. You are so cute. I'm already feeling for you though. You are going to be a little bit cranky later today. The injection will be harm. Hey, for a small baby like this. But then we move. Let's get going. So guys, we'll take you guys along as usual. My baby is saying hi guys.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.
We are on our way. Baby boy sleeping.
If you work for it, it's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I try to smart just to win the crown. I'm pissed off with these fucking crowds. I'm on top, they deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Yes, staircase, the last one. Woo! Breast milk.
Big.
I say it's small. You don't turn horrible.
You work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they.
So we are currently done and we'll be heading home right now. Say hi.
Hi, YouTuber.
I want to hear tomorrow. So I'll see you guys when we get home. So what's it called? Our rider just came and we're on our way home. Boy is currently sleeping. I'll see you guys when we get home. So hi guys, we are back home now. Baby is still sleeping, although it was a little bit cranky before the injection, and when he got the injection he cried a little bit. And you know baby now, who then go put injection on your body when you go do. So yeah, it was a little bit cranky before the injection, but now he's calm now. So hopefully I'll just administer him panda drops when he's awake. So hopefully it will just get better in 1 or 2 days. So yeah, I just wanted to take you guys along in this video. I hope you literally enjoy coming along with me to the clinic. So hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
You deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God